No way! Hi everyone, another day, another unboxing. So finally, it's here, my two blind box dear birds. So my target here is the Molly, the angry one, and the black Hirono and the red skull panda. So we'll see if I could get my target. This is the box. Okay, kinda tiny. Okay. I hope I could get the target that I like. B. No way! Oh my god, it's so cute! Trinity, look! It's so cute! Oh my god, this is my new favorite! Oh, this is so cute! Oh, so cute! Oh my god! Look at that! I like the size. Oh, I'm gonna keep using you, my love. So cute! My god! And there's also a heart right here. It's just like black attitude with a heart. It's kinda, I could relate. Char. I'm a good girl. But my god, I love him. I love him. I really love him. Look at that, so cute. So was the Hirono. There. So cute. I love you. I love him. My deepest secret. Oh man. Look at that. My favorite. Okay. One. Okay, I like the size. Look at the card, so cute. Okay, next one. Please, either Skull Panda or the Angry Molly, please. I want the Skull Panda or the Angry Molly. You're my favorite boy. Hirono. Oh. Could it be? Please. What's this? Please red or Molly. Please red or Molly. Please Skull Panda or Molly. Please Skull Panda or Molly. Holy cow! Shit! I think the universe, it's in my side. Can you believe that? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. No, it's so cute. I love it. Oh, I got my lucky one. I got you, bud. And with this crazy hair, so cute, like for real. Oh my god, I love her. Oh, I got my target. Gee, thanks for watching. So this is one of my target. Oh my god, I didn't expect that I'm gonna get her. She's so cute. Look at that. My target. Oh, I'm so happy. Especially this one, my favorite, because it's black. I like black. Black with a heart. I love it. Oh my god. Look at that. This is the card of the My Sweet Trouble. It's so cute. And the Hirono as well.